So what's up, YouTube? Anyways, I just got back from the shop, threw in some Y pipes, or replaced my Y pipes from the car, so they're a lot wider. And I tried to do them myself, but the bolts were giving me a hard time, so I just decided to take it to a shop real quick. And these guys, I mean, they did a phenomenal job, and basically in and out in 10 minutes. So you know, and they were cheap, charged me 25, but you know, I couldn't justify that, so threw them a little more. You know, these guys work hard, you know, all day. Anyways, so I'm gonna do a little quick rundown, a little quick sample of the exhaust note now. So now that I have the Y pipe that I replaced, which is bigger circumference. I think it's 2.5 inches outlet and a 3-inch inlet, if I'm not mistaken. I picked it up on eBay. I'll throw the link up on in the description. And muffler delete. So I got the axleback, also axleback from eBay as well. That's the link for that is in my other video. So check that video out, where I give a little, you know, I show off the car a little bit, and a little bit of the exhaust note on that in that video. Anyways, I'm about to do this right now. So basically that is what she sounds like so far. You know, I mean, it's pretty quiet when it's not revving or anything like that. And I would imagine a cold start would sound a lot better, a lot louder. So I'll probably do another video with a cold start, because I just got back from the shop. So, you know, car's pretty much warm, hot, whatever. Anyways, that's what it sounds like so far, boys and girls. You know, I'm doing these cheap mods because I do a full, you know, cat back and just do the whole exhaust. Do the whole exhaust front to back, you know. Maybe throw some headers, because I am thinking about supercharging this sucker. But, you know, so far so good. It sounds good. I feel the pickup in power. I feel, you know, it feels a little bit boosted as far as when I'm riding, and then, you know, and I take off and I hit the gas, and I feel it's more responsive. So I feel the responsiveness. Whether I've gained some horsepower or not, I am not 100% sure. The only way to find out would be to get it dynoed. So it's possibly ready for that. We'll see. We'll see what happens. All right. Till next time. Rising Tech here. Later.